Hi, my loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay, loves. So, if you are new here, I would love to welcome you. Welcome. My name is Diva Decorating. And I would like for you to watch this video until the end. And if you like it, give it a thumbs up, please. And please consider subscribing. I would love to have you. And to all my returning subscribers, welcome back, loves. I'm so glad that you tuned in today. Okay, guys, so today I am extending another open invitation for Diva's Dynasty Tablescape Sunday. This Sunday's Tablescape will be hosted by Lynn of Lynn's Lifestyle Living, and her co-host will be Diva's Dynasty. Now, if you're not familiar with Lynn, what she does on her channel is tablescapes, some shopping hauls, thrift finds, and some cooking. We're trying to help Lynn in growing her channel and would love for you to give her some support and show her some love by subscribing and becoming a part of her family if you're not already. Now, the rules for this challenge are: you must be subscribed to the host and all the co-hosts, which are Diva's Dynasty, which consists of Cynthia, Shesobless, which is Cynthia, Mysterious Alberta, Miss Alberta, me, myself, and DIYing It, which is Tammy, and myself, Diva Decorating, Geraldine. Okay? I will leave everyone's link down below in my description box. And one of the rules is that you must leave all the host and co-host channel links down in your description box as well. Okay, you can use your choice of spring colors to decorate your tablescape. So whatever color scheme you want to use, you can use pastel colors, whatever you would like to use for spring colors, it is totally up to you, okay? You can decorate your tablescape on a patio, your backyard, a deck, a balcony, whatever outdoor structure you may have will be fine, okay? We're asking that you please title your video Spring Outdoor Tablescape. Again, title your video Spring Outdoor Tablescape. Use the hashtag, which is different now, Spring Outdoor Tablescape Sunday 2020. Again, hashtag Spring Outdoor Tablescape Sunday 2020. The upload date is April 19th, 2020. That is this coming Sunday, anytime after midnight. We ask that you please do not upload your video to the playlist before that time. Now, with all that's been going on, guys, with the COVID-19 thing, and we've been stuck indoors, this is a great way to get outside and get some of that fresh spring air by doing this Tablescape Sunday outdoors, okay? It will be so much fun to get a fresh air, and we want to enjoy decorating and you showcasing your decor style, okay? Now, if you are not already a family member of mine, as I said, I would love to have you, and all Diva's Dynasty would love to have you as well, guys. Those are all of the rules for this challenge. I hope you will join us out on your patio or your deck or in your backyard, whatever you may have. I will hope that you will join us and you will showcase your tablescape so we can all get some decorating ideas and just get a breath of fresh air from all that's going on right now, okay? So guys, I love to seeing you. I can't wait to the next video. And with all of that being said, I'm going to wrap this up, and I will see you for Tablescape Sunday. Bye-bye, my loves.